Most people think savings apps are all the same, but the surprising truth about EagleNest Savings in 2026 is how much it focuses on helping you actually keep your money instead of just storing it. If you've ever opened a savings account and watched it sit there doing nothing, this review is for you. EagleNest Savings is designed as a high-yield digital savings platform with built-in tools that encourage consistent saving. The core idea is simple: make saving automatic, visible, and rewarding. Once you open an account, you can link your income source and set automated transfers that move small amounts into savings every time you get paid. Most people get this wrong by trying to save only what's left at the end of the month, but EagleNest flips that habit completely. One standout feature in 2026 is its tiered savings structure. As your balance grows, your interest rate increases slightly, rewarding long-term consistency. This means someone saving steadily over a year can earn noticeably more than someone who deposits sporadically. The app also includes visual goal trackers for things like emergency funds, travel, or big purchases, which helps users stay motivated. Another feature that surprises many users is the optional buffer access. EagleNest allows limited emergency withdrawals without penalties if certain conditions are met, such as maintaining a minimum balance. This provides flexibility without encouraging reckless spending. You won't believe how many savings apps punish users for touching their own money, but EagleNest takes a more balanced approach. However, EagleNest isn't for everyone. There are no advanced investing tools or credit-building features. It's purely focused on saving, which may feel limiting if you want an all-in-one financial platform. EagleNest Savings is best for people who struggle with consistency and want a simple, disciplined way to grow savings. If you're chasing flashy features, this may not be your app, but if your goal is stability and growth, it does its job very well. In conclusion, EagleNest Savings in 2026 is still worth it if your main goal is building real savings habits that actually stick. Use it consistently, let automation do the work, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and money tips.